Welcome to this comprehensive look at Email List Verify Pro, a top-tier email verification service. Whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or just someone managing a large email list, Email List Verify Pro promises to clean and verify your email addresses efficiently, ensuring your emails reach the right inboxes. Advantages of Email List Verify Pro. Email List Verify Pro is packed with features that make email list management hassle-free. The core functionality of the site is email verification, where it checks for invalid, disposable, or risky emails and removes them from your list. This helps increase the deliverability rate of your emails, keeping your sender reputation intact. One key feature is its bulk email verification, which allows you to upload lists of thousands of email addresses at once and clean them in a matter of minutes. This is perfect for marketers or businesses with large customer bases. Additionally, Email List Verify Pro provides a real-time API that integrates smoothly with your existing systems, so you can verify email addresses as they are entered on your website. This helps prevent bad email addresses from entering your database in the first place. The service also features a detailed reporting system, giving you insights into your email list quality, bounce rates, and suggestions for improving your email outreach efforts. Disadvantages or limitations. While Email List Verify Pro is robust and efficient, one limitation is that it doesn't offer as much flexibility with pricing for smaller businesses or individuals who only need to verify smaller lists. The pricing structure can feel a bit steep if you don't need bulk verification. Also, while the platform does a great job with common issues like invalid emails, it may occasionally miss some nuanced problems like gray list issues, which could still affect your deliverability in certain cases. Overview of services offered. In addition to email verification, Email List Verify Pro provides a range of services designed to improve your email marketing efforts. These include spam trap detection, disposable email removal, and role-based email detection. The platform even offers a free trial for new users to explore the basic functionality before committing to a paid plan. For a more comprehensive email management experience, check out Clean Email, which is another great tool for sorting and cleaning up your inbox. Clean Email helps declutter your email, block spam, and unsubscribe from unwanted emails with ease. Follow the link in the description to explore the best email manager and improve your email organization. Pricing. Email List Verify Pro uses a pay-as-you-go pricing model, which means you only pay for the number of verifications you need. You can choose from a variety of plans based on the size of your email list, with cost scaling based on the number of emails you verify. They also offer monthly subscription options for those who need ongoing verification services. Finally, if you're looking to improve your overall email efficiency, don't forget to try out Clean Email. Follow the link in the description for the best email manager. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews, and hit the like button if you found this video helpful.